Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we are going to install the driver for Canon LBP2900B. It is a very popular and well-known printer and most of us using this printer. This is a Laserjet printer. So to install the driver for this printer is please make sure that it is connected through USB in your computer and then open the browser and type Canon LBP 2900B. Once you hit enter, you will get many results. So here at the very top, you will have, please make sure you visit only the Canon website. The very first result says in.canon.com, and here I just need to click on that Canon website. It says printer driver LBP2900B, and you just need to click on download. And the best part is it is compatible with Windows 11, Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, and XP. Though Windows 11 is not here, but you can install it, and you just need to click on download, and a 10 MB file will be downloaded. You just need to open that file, and you need to click on next, and you will be able to install the Canon printer. Once this is done, you can restart the computer, and then you can try to print a test page and see if your LBP290 Canon is working fine or not. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.